Hey guys, welcome to the Craft Pouch. Today we are going to see part 2 of easy and simple craft ideas that you can make in just 5 minutes. I have already made a video of easy crafts. I will link the video in the description down below. Please check that out for more crafts. So let's jump straight into the video. Today's first DIY is Popsicle Sticks Photo Frame. You need 9 popsicle sticks for this DIY. Firstly, arrange 2 sticks vertically and glue 2 more sticks horizontally like this. I am using glue gun. You can also use E6000 glue. And now again, glue 2 sticks vertically and then horizontally. Consider one side as bottom and fill the gap using the glue gun. This helps the photo to stay inside the frame without falling. Take a piece of yarn and tie it to the frame corners as shown here. You need to rotate the yarn 4 times, glue it and then again rotate it in another direction. Here I am taking red color yarn. You can consider any color you want. Similarly, glue yarn on all the corners. Coming to the back side of the frame, take a popsicle stick and glue it to the frame as a stand. Keep it aside for a few minutes until the popsicle stick is strongly attached to the frame. You can color this frame if you want so. You can decorate it with washi tape or you can use stickers on it. I've just used a design paper. You can print and add your photo here. You can place this DIY frame on your desk or on any organizer. It's so cute and pretty. For the second DIY, I am making an earphone holder out of icebreaker's box. Firstly, remove the stickers on the front side and back side of the box. If you have trouble with taking out stickers, add few drops of water and rub it. This trick will help you. Take any design paper and cut out 2 circles of the size of the box. Stick these papers on the back side. On the front side, there are 2 openings. Fold this paper into half and paste first half onto the small opening like this. Now, coming to the second half, open the lid and paste the paper only to the lid. Do not paste the paper by closing the lid because this will prevent you from opening the lid. The final step here is to take any nail polish color or marker and mark the opening so that you do not open the smaller lid. This turned out so pretty and you can carry this with you. Here you go, no more tangled earphones. For the third DIY, we are going to make paper fan flavors. We all used to play with paper fans when we were kids. Now we are going to make these fans and convert them into beautiful flower hangings. Take any 3 color construction papers. I am taking red color. Fold the whole paper into half an inch back and forth like this. Now take a circular object and draw a curve at the ends of each side. Using scissors, cut this part. Fold this paper into half like this. Glue these parts using any glue or double-sided tape. I am using double-sided tape. You can even staple the ends. Hand fan is ready. Now similarly make 2 more fans and stick these fans to one another like this using double-sided tape or glue. Here also you can staple if you want. paper fan flower is ready. Last step is to punch a hole and tie a piece of yarn on the top of the flower to hang these onto the wall. You can use these as wall decorations, or you can use these for any party decorations. To make a pretty DIY pen stand, take any transparent glass and few temporary tattoos. I think I found these glitter tattoos in dollar store. This DIY is self-explanatory. You just need to cut the stickers and follow the instructions that were given on the back of this tattoo pack. Remove the clear protective sheet and place the sticker onto the glass with the design facing down. Take a wet cloth and press it against the tattoo on the back for about 30 seconds and then peel the paper back. At first, I left some paper on the edges of the sticker, but that left the glue to the glass. So I have cut these tattoos to their respective sizes. I have added all the tattoos to the glass. This is so good and the cutest DIY. I love the way it turned out. You can use it as a pen holder, or you can even use it to hold your makeup brushes. The last DIY for this video is phone stand. You need a toilet paper roll. Measure your phone width and draw it on the roll like this. Make sure to mark it a little extra. Now, using a cutting knife, cut this part. If you are a kid, get some help from your parents for this step. Now, take any design paper or a gift wrap paper and glue it to the roll. Cut the paper near the opening and make sure the edges look good by pasting the papers inside the roll like this. Now fix 4 push pins to the roll, 2 on the front side and 2 on the back side. These push pins act as legs for this phone holder. Take 2 circle design papers and paste them on both the sides using glue gun. Make sure to do this step to avoid unnecessary contact with the push pins. Put an extra and added lace on both the sides as a part of decoration. You can decorate it as you like. Phone holder is ready. This is so useful. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to click the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever a video is uploaded. See you in next video. Bye bye.